Class 3 EVS NCERT book lesson number 9. It's raining.
Appu ate bananas. Appu likes bananas very much. He plucks and eats bananas from the trees every day. One day, he saw that the banana trees were drooping. It had not rained for a long time.
"I must get water in my trunk,"
said Appu. He started walking towards the river. Appu drank water till he was happy. He bathed his body with his trunk. Then he carried water in his trunk and poured it on the banana trees. As soon as the banana trees got water, they came alive. Appu said,
"From now on, I will get water for you every day. After all, you also give me ripe and tasty bananas."